Okay, next topic, mode of ungrouped data. So this topic already studied in 9th class. So what is mode of ungrouped data? The observations which appears more frequently in the given data is called mode, okay, of ungrouped data, right? The observations which appears more frequently in the given data is called mode. So what does it mean? The observation which appears more times in the given raw data is called as mode. For example, 1 5 7 5 2 5 3 5 7 4 5. So here 5 is the number which is repeating so many times. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 times. 5 repeated so many times. So what is the mode now? Mode is equal to 5. So like this, we have to find the mode. Okay, right. For example, if the data consists of only one mode, that is called as unique mode. If data consists of two modes, is called bimodal. And if data consists of many modes in the given data, then that is called as multimodal. Okay. So this is about the mode of ungrouped data. Now, next is about the mode of grouped data. Okay, next mode of group data, we have one formula, that is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F naught by 2 F1 minus F naught minus F2 into H. Now we have to describe what is L, where L is lower boundary of the modal class and F naught is the preceding frequency of the modal class and F1 is the frequency of the modal class and F2 is the succeeding frequency of the modal class and H is the class size of the modal class. Okay. So what is the mode formula for grouped data? L plus F1 minus F naught by 2 F1 minus F naught minus F2 into H. Okay. Next, to do this question in that first one, find the mode of the following data. So first in that A question, 5, 6, 9, 10, 6, 12, 3, 6, 11, 10, 4, 6, 7. So what is the mode here? So which number is repeated or which observation is repeated? Observe it, 5 is repeated only once, 5 is written only once, 6 is repeated 1, 2, 3, 4. So the mode is 6. 6 is repeated 4 times, hence the mode is 6. Next B question. So here 20, so only 1 time, 3, 1, 2, 3 times. Next 7, 3 times. 13, okay. So here mode is equal to 3 and 7. 3 is repeated 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and 7. 7 is also repeated 3 times. Next 13 only once, 4, 6. So 19, 15, 18. So they have written on they appeared only once. Therefore, what is the mode? It is 3 and 7. So here we have only one mode. In the first question, we have only one mode. Then we call it as unique mode. Here we have two modes. Then we call as bimodal. Bimodal data. So the given data is bimodal data. In the next question, C question, 2 appears 3 times, 3 appears 3 times, 4 also appears 3 times, and 5 also appears 3 times, and 6 appears 3 times. Therefore, what is the mode here? Mode is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So it is called as multimodal data. Multimodal data. Okay. That is the answer. Next, to do this question. Second one in that, is the mode always at the center of the data? No. No. Answer is no. Okay, next question, students, listen. Does the mode change if another observation is added to the data in example 4? Comment. Example 4 data is 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. So this is the data of example 4. Okay. Now here, what is the mode? In example 4, 2 is appeared 1, 2, 3 times and 3 is appeared only 2 times. Okay, so clearly the mode is 2. Now coming to our question, does mode change if another observation is added? That is our question. Okay, if another observation if another observation 2 is added to the data, mode does not change. Mode does not change. Okay, this is our point. If another observation, same observation, that is 2, actually 2 is the mode now. Now if we add 2 more, observation 2 to the given data, mode does not change. Other than 2, other than 2, other than 2, like if observation 3 is added to the data, then mode changes. Mode changes. That is our answer. So what does the mode becomes if 3 is added to the given data? So here 2 has 3 times and 3 also 2 times. Okay, if 3 is added to the data, therefore mode changes, right? Next, fourth question, if maximum value of an observation in the data in example 4 is changed to 8, would the mode of the data be affected? Comment it. So example 4 data is 26450213323. Okay. So sir, what is the maximum value in this or maximum observation? So this is the maximum value of the given data. Now if I replace this maximum value with the 8, does the mode changes? So what is the mode here? Mode is 2. Okay. Now if I replace the maximum value as 8, that is in the place of 6 if I write 8, so what it becomes? What is the mode? So mode is same only, there won't be effect. So mode does not change. Mode of the data. So let us write if the maximum value of an observation of example 4 data is changed to 8, mode does not affect. Does not affect. Okay, mode will be 2 only. Mode is equal to 2 only. So that is the answer. Okay, right. Next question. Think and discuss. In the first one, it depends upon the demand of situation whether we are interested in finding the average marks obtained by the students or the marks obtained by most of the students. Okay, in that question number A, what do we find in the first situation? So in the first situation, so what is the first situation? Look here, the demand of this situation whether we are interested in finding the average. So what is meant by average? Average is nothing but mean. So what do we find in the first situation? We find solution. We find mean in the first situation. So what do we find? We find mean in the first situation. That is your answer. Next, most of the the marks obtained by the most of the students. So it refers to find the mode. So what do we find in the second situation? In second situation, we find mode in the second situation. So this is your answer. Right. Right. Second one, mode can be calculated for grouped data with unequal class sizes? Yes. Mode be calculated for grouped data with unequal class sizes. Great. Exercise 14.2, question number 1. The following table shows the ages of the patient admitted in a hospital on a particular day. Find the mode and the mean of the data given below. Compare and interpret the measures of the central tendency. So two things we have to find. Okay, what are they? We have to find the mode and mean. Both we have to find. Okay, so first of all we have to find the mean. Right, let us find the mean. So by using the methods, three methods are there. No, out of the three methods, one method we have to apply. Better you use the step deviation method. So for finding mean, what is the first step? So after writing the table in this form, for the first step is we have to find the class marks for our mid values, that is xi. Okay, these are ci class intervals and these are fi's. Right, how to find this class marks? 5 plus 15, it is 20. 20 divided by 2, it is 10. Next, 15 plus 25. So how much it is? 15 plus 25, it is 40. 40 divided by 2, so it is 20. 40 divided by 2, it is 20. Next, 25 plus 35, so it is 60. 60 divided by 2, it is 30. Next, 35 plus 45, it is 80 divided by 2, 40. Next, 45 plus 55, it is 100 divided by 2, it becomes 50. Next, 55 plus 65, so that is equal to 120. 120 divided by 2, then that is equal to 60. Right, we got the class marks. Next, we are solving this question by using step deviation method. Therefore, we have to write the formula ui is equal to xi minus a by h. So what is h value? 15 minus 5, it is 10. Or 25 minus 15, it is 10. Or 35 minus 25, it is 10. H value is 10. So let us consider one value, that is let us assume 40 as a. Okay, so this becomes 0. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And below of this 0 is plus 1, plus 2. See, so by using this formula, we get the same values. We have to do the calculations, but I have written very directly. Why? Because 10 minus 40, it is minus 30. Minus 30 is divided by 10. So it is equal to minus 3. Next, 20 minus 40, it is minus 20. Divided by 10 is minus 2. Okay, right. So in this manner, we have to calculate in rough book or rough paper. Then we have to write all these things. Next step we have to use is, our next column is FIUI. So FIs are these values and UIs are these values. Multiply 6 into minus 3, it is minus 18. 6 3s are 18. 11 2s are 22, it is minus 22. 21 1s are 21, minus 21. 23 into 0, it is 0. 14 ones are 14. Next 5 twos are 10. Okay. Now as usual we have to add all the frequencies. That is sigma Fi. 6 plus 1 it is 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 4 it is 15. 15 plus 5 20. 2 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. So it is 80. Let us do once again. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 plus 5 20. 2 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 it is 8. So 80. Sigma Fi is equal to 80. Next we have to add sigma Fi ui. That is negative values. Add negative values. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 1 it is 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. That is minus 61 plus. Let us add this positive values. 14 plus 10 it is 24. So 11 minus 4 it is 7. 5 minus 2 it is 3. That is minus 37. So let us write here a value. What is? So first of all we are finding mean by using step deviation method. So first you write the assumed value. What is assumed value? It is 40. And sigma Fi ui value it is minus 37. Next sigma Fi value is 80 and h value. What is h value? It is 10. So h value is 15 minus 5 it is 10. Okay. For finding mean we have to write the values. Assumed value 40 and sigma Fi is equal to minus 37 and sigma Fi is equal to 8 and h is equal to 10. So what is the formula? Mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. So we have to substitute all those values in this formula. Okay. So let us substitute x bar is equal to a. What is a value? It is 40 plus sigma Fi ui value is minus 37 divided by sigma Fi is 80 into h value is 10. So this 0 and 0 gets cancelled. X bar is equal to 40 minus 37 by 8. So let us divide that 37 by 8. 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 32. So 37 minus 32 it is 5.0. 8 6 are 48. 2 0. 8 2s are 16. So 20 minus 16 is 40. 8 5s are 40. So that is equal to x bar is equal to 40 minus 4.625. So 40.000 you write down. From that if you subtract 4.625, 10 minus 5 it is 5, 9 minus 2 it is 7, 9 minus 6 it is 3, 0.9 minus 4 it is 5 and this is 3. So the answer is x bar is equal to 35.375. This is the mean. Okay, next we have to find mode. Okay, students. First of all, we find the mean. Next, we have to find the mode. So in the given data or in the given question, we have to check the class intervals, whether the class intervals are continuous or not. So which class intervals are called as continuous? Look here. So this is the lower limit and this is upper limit of first class. Lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit. So upper limit of the first class is same as the lower limit of the second class and the upper limit of the second class is same as the lower limit of the third class. Then that class intervals are called as continuous class intervals. Are you getting what I am saying? So upper limit of the first class is same as the lower limit of the second class and the upper limit of the second class is same as the lower limit of the third class. So continuously we get like this. Here it is 15. Immediately we are getting the 15. 25, 25, 35, 35, 45, 45, 55, 55, 65. It is 65. Next we will get 65 only. So this type of class intervals are called as continuous class intervals. For example, if the class intervals are like this: 0 to 4, then 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19. So if the class intervals are like this, then these class intervals are called as discontinuous class intervals. So the upper limit of the first class is not same as the lower limit of the second class, and the upper limit of the second class is not same as the lower limit of the third class. So this type of class intervals are called as discontinuous class intervals. Or so we have two types of class intervals. One is continuous class intervals and discontinuous class intervals. Or continuous class intervals are also called as exclusive class intervals. What are they? Exclusive. What are the exclusive class intervals? Exclusive class intervals are also called as continuous class intervals. So we may call that as exclusive class intervals or continuous class intervals or overlapping class intervals. We may call it as overlapping class intervals also. Okay. So these are continuous class intervals or exclusive class intervals, and these are discontinuous class intervals. These are called as discontinuous class intervals, or we may call inclusive class intervals, or we may call as non-overlapping class intervals. What are the non-overlapping class intervals? So these are very, very important. By looking at the question, class intervals, we have to identify whether they are exclusive or inclusive. If they are exclusive, then only we can able to solve the mode problem, or we can find the mode. If they are inclusive, then we have to change that inclusive class intervals into exclusive class intervals, then we can proceed further. Okay now. So here the class intervals are exclusive. So while finding mode, we have to concentrate on the class intervals. So if the class intervals are exclusive, that is continuous, then only we can find, or then only we can proceed to the next step. Okay. So here, yes, the class intervals are continuous or exclusive. Next, soon after identifying or looking at the class intervals, if the class intervals are exclusive, then we have to check the frequencies. In these frequencies, we have to locate the highest frequency. So out of all this, the highest frequency is this one. So there you write down that as F1. Above that F1 is F0 or F0. Below of this F1 is F2. Okay. F0, F1, F2. So where 23 is the highest frequency, no? Now this corresponding lower limit is considered as L. Okay. All these things we have to note in the question. Okay. So highest frequency is 23. Above of that one is F0, preceding frequency. Below of that frequency is F2, that is succeeding frequency. And the lower limit of the highest frequencies L. Let us write all those things. So what is L here? L is 35. Next, F1 or F0. What is F0? F0 is 21, and F1 frequency, that is 23, and F2. What is F2 value? That is 40. Next, we have to write H value. The class size, that is 15 minus 5, it is 20, or 25 minus 15 is 10. 15 minus 5 is 10, or 25 minus 15 is 10, or 35 minus 25 is 10. Okay, we got class size also. All these things we have to write. Next, we have to write the formula. So what is the formula of grouped data? Mode of grouped data is L plus F1 minus F0 or F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the formula, right? So what is that formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So that is equal to L value. What is L value? Right here 35 plus F1. F1 is 23 minus F0. It is 21 by 2 into F1. F1 is 23. 2 into 23 minus F0. 21 minus F2, it is 14. Write all these values in the bracket into H value. What is H value? It is 10. Okay, that is equal to 35 plus 23 minus 21, it is 2 divided by 2 into 23. 2 3 is 6, 2 to the 4, 46 minus. Both are negative values. You just sum up or add it. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3. It is 35 into 10. So that is equal to 35 plus 2 by 46. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So it is 11. 11 into 10. Multiply the 2 into 10. It becomes 20. 20 divided by 11. Now divide 20 by 11. 11 ones are 11. So 20 minus 11, it is 9.0. 11 eights are 88. So it is 2. So once again, we get the same values. 11 ones are 11. Again, we get 9, 0, 8. 11 eights are 88. So we get the same values. Okay. So we can write 35 plus 1.81 bar. So that is equal to 36.81. Now observe the mean and mode. So mean is equal to, or mode is equal to 36.81. So mode is equal to 36.81 and mean is equal to 35.375. So compare and interpret the two measures. So what we have to write here, the following table. Mean number of patients is equal to 35.375. Next, mode. Most of the patients is equal to 36.81. Most of the patient's age is equal to 36.81. Mean number of patients is equal to 35.375. Okay, that is your answer. Right, exercise 14.2, second question. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. Determine the modal lifetimes of the component. We have to find the mode of the component, right? So here he given the lifetimes in hours, that is called as CI. Class intervals are given and frequencies FIs are given, right? So 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Now identify what is the name of the class interval. Exclusive class interval or inclusive class intervals. What are exclusive class intervals? Are continuous class intervals. Exclusive class intervals are nothing but if it is 20, immediately it should be 20, 40, 40, 60, 60, 80, 80, 100, 100. Hence it is exclusive class intervals or continuous class intervals. If exclusive class intervals are given, then we have to check the class frequencies. What is the highest frequency in this? The highest frequency is this one, 61. Name it as F1. Above that F1, we have to write that as F0. Below of this F1, F2. Now, in the class intervals, this 60 highest frequency, consider that as L. Okay. So now write here L. What is L value? Lower limit, that is 60 or lower boundary. 60. Next, frequencies. F1 is equal to 61. F0, that is equal to 52. And F2, from the table, it is 38. And H value, what is the H value? 42 minus 20, it is 20. 62 minus 40, it is 20. 80 minus 60, it is 20. 100 minus 80, it is 20. Or 20 minus 0, it is 20. So H value is equal to 20. Now we have to find mode. What is the formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F naught by 2 F1 minus F naught minus F2 into H. So this is the mode formula. Now substitute the values, above values in this formula. Mode is equal to L. What is L? 60 plus F1 61 minus F naught 52 divided by 2 into F1, it is 61 minus F naught 52 minus F2, it is 38. Right in the bracket into H value, it is 20. That is equal to 60 plus 11 minus 2, it is 9. 61 minus 52 is 9 by 2 into 61. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. It is 122 minus, both are negative. So add it, sum up. 2 plus 8, it is 10, 1. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Into 20. That is equal to 60 plus 9 by 122 minus 90. So it is 2. 12 minus 9, it is 3. 32 into 20. Okay, H value is 20. So 2 ones are 2 zeros are 2 ones are 1 remains. It becomes 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay. Next to 2 5s are 2 8s are. So that is equal to 60 plus 9 5s are 45. 45 by 8. Divide 45 by 8. 8 6 are 48. 48 is not there. 8 5 are 40. 45 minus 40 is 5.0. 8 6 are 48. 50 minus 48, it is 2. So take 0 here. 8 2s are 16. So 4 0. 8 5s are 40. So that is equal to 60 plus 5.625. That is equal to 60 plus 5. It is 65.625. Therefore, the modal life of the component, modal life of component is equal to 65.625. That HOURS. Modal life of component is equal to 65.625 hours. Okay, next question. The following data gives the distribution of the total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of Gummadidala village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the family. Also find the monthly expenditure. Okay. So two things we have to find in this. One is mode and one more is median. So let us calculate only in one table. Let us find, first of all, we have to find the class marks or mid values. Both are same only. So CI, FIs, and these are XIs. So if you observe, CIs are a little bit bigger in size Better we have to use step deviation method. Okay, right. 1000 plus 1500. 1000 plus 1500. We are finding the mid values or class marks 0, 0, 5, 2500. So in 2500, if we divide by 2, ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1, 2 fives are 10. So it is 1250. 1250. Next to 1500 plus 2000. So it is 0, 0, 5, 3500. 3500 divided by 2. Ones are 1 remains, it becomes 15, 2 sevens are 14, 1 remains 10, 2 fives are 10. So it is 1750. So how much gap, what is the difference between this 1750 and 1250? So it is about 500. There is a gap of 500. Let us do all these things. 2000 and 2500. So it is 0054. 4500 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 twos are, 2 fives are, and zeros are. So it is 2250. Next, 2500 plus 3000. 2500 plus 3000. 0052 plus 3, it is 5. 5500 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are 4, 1 remains, it becomes 15. 2 sevens are 14, 1 remains, 10, 2 fives are 10. So it is 2750. 2750. Next, 3000 and 3500. So it is 0056. 6500. 6500 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 1, 2 fives are 10. So it is 3250. Next we get 3750. 500, 500 you add it. Next we get 4250, and the last one we get it is 4750. Once you observe it, 1250, 1750, 2250, 2750, 3250, 3750, 4250, 4750. Okay, right. Next we are using step deviation method now. Let us write the formula. Ui is equal to xi minus a by h. So what is h value? 1500 minus 1000. So it is 500. 2000 minus 1500. It is 500. The class size is 500. Now here we have to consider one value as a. Assume one value as a. So let us assume that 2750 as a. Right. So what I said, this becomes 0 upon this minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, and plus 4. Okay. Next step. Fi ui. 24 into 3. 3 fours are 12. 1. 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. So it is minus 72. 40 into 2, it is minus 80. Next, 33 into 1, it is minus 33. 28 into 0, 0. 30 into 1, 30. 22 into 2, it is 44. 16 threes are 48. 7 fours are, it is 28. Wow. Okay, now we have to find sigma. First you write the value A is equal to, assumed value A is equal to 2750. Assumed value A is equal to 2750. Next, sigma Fi value. What is sigma Fi value? Let us write all these values. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Plus 6. It is 23 plus 7. 23 plus 7, it is 30. 30 means 0, 3 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So it is 200. sigma Fi is equal to 200. Next, sigma Fi Ui. Sigma Fi Ui is equal to, first you add negative values. 2 plus 3, it is 5. 7 plus 8, it is 15. 15 plus 3, 18. Minus 185 plus negative value, no, positive values. Now add positive values. 4, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 2 carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So it is 150. So minus 185 plus 150, it is 5. 8 minus 5, it is 3. So that is equal to minus 35. Minus 35. Minus value is more. So we get minus 35. Next, what is H value? H value is 500. 1500 minus 1000 is 500. Let us find the mean. Mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into h. Step deviation method formula. Now substitute all these values. X bar is equal to a 2750 plus sigma Fi Ui. It is minus 35 by sigma Fi. 200 into h value is 500. So this two zeros gets cancelled. X bar is equal to 2750 plus into minus 35 5s are 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 2. So x bar is equal to 2750 minus 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. 1 remains, 2 7s are 14. 0.10, it becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. So 87.5. 2750.0. From this, if you subtract 87.5, 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 9 minus 7 it is 2. Next, 14 minus 6, 8, it is 6. It is 6 2. Answer is x bar is equal to 266.5. That is the mean. So, okay, students, this is about the mean 2662.5. Next, we have to find mode. Okay, till now we find the mean. Now we are going to find the mode. So, what is our condition? So, before finding the mode, first of all, we have to check the class intervals, whether the class intervals are exclusive or not, are continuous or not. So, look here, the class intervals 1500, immediately we are getting 1500, 2000, 2000, 2500, 2500, 3000, 3000, 3500, 3500. So, these class intervals are exclusive class intervals. Okay, these class intervals are exclusive class intervals. If the class intervals are exclusive, we have to check the highest frequency. So what is the highest frequency here? The highest frequency is 40. Consider this as F1. Above that one is F0. Below that one is F2. Okay. So here this is L. Now write the values. L is equal to, lower boundary L is equal to 1500. Next, F1. What is F1? F1 is 40. Next, F0. F0 is equal to 24. And F2. F2 is equal to 33. Next, H value. What is the H value? Class size. 1500 minus 1000 is 500. Okay, all these things you have right here. And the right formula. What is the formula? Mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. That is equal to L. It is 1500 plus F1 40 minus F0. It is 24 divided by 2 into F1. It is 40 minus F0. 24 minus F2. It is 33 into H. H value is 500. So that is equal to 1500 plus 10 minus 4 it is 6, 3 minus 2 it is 1, divided by 4, 40 into 2 it is 80, minus both are negative, add it, 4 plus 3 it is 7, 2 plus 3 it is 5, into 500. So that is equal to 1500 plus 16 divided by 10 minus 7 it is 3, 7 minus 5 it is 2, into 500. 1500 plus 16 5s are 5 6 are that 80. 16 5s are 80. Write these two zeros, divided by 23. Okay. Now divide 8000 with by 23. 23 ones are 23, 22, 23 twos are 46, 23 threes are 3 threes are 9, 3 twos 6. So we can take threes are 69. 10 minus 9 it is 1. 7 minus 6 it is 1. Take this 0 here. 110. Next 23. 5 are 5 threes are 15. 1 5 to the 10 11. So it is 115. So better we have to take 4s are 4 threes are 12 1. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 9. So 10 minus 2 it is 8. Okay, we borrowed 1 here. Here it is 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Take one more 0, here it becomes 180. Next to 23, 6 are 6 3s are 18 1, 6 to the 12 133. 7s are 7 4 are 7 23, 8s are 8 3s are 24 2, 8 to the 16 plus 2 18. So we can take 7s are 7 3s are 21 2 carries 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16. 10 minus 1 it is 9, 7 minus 6 it is 1. Next to take the point here and 0. Yaidza, we can take Yaidza. So it is 184. So 6 zeros are. Okay. 190 minus 184 it is 6. Take 0 here. 22 za. We can take here 2 za. 46 4 1 0. 23 6 are 6 3s are 18 1 6 to the 12 plus 1 to 138. So approximately we can take 6 are, that is you write here 6 2 0. So we can write here 1500 plus 347.83 approximately. So from 1500 00 plus 347.83. So it is 83.748. So it is equal to 1847.83. That is the mode. Mean monthly expenditure is equal to 2006, and mode is equal to 1847.83. That is the answer.